Hi, this is Anushka Sharma and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
I think the writing part is definitely very interesting, and I think Ali has literally played with the emotions of the audience when he tells, when Salman tells Govind that bhavi ka khayal rakhna. Public is like, kya hone wala hai? What is going to happen? And like say he's having those bouts in MMA and you are training those kids, and your reactions to the kids while your entire attention is to the it has that desired impact on the audience. It's an extremely entertaining film as well. You have some wonderful songs as well. I think Baby Ko Base Pasand Hai, and the way it is growing is something. Ranveer Singh is dancing to it in Paris, and Salman Khan feels that he should charge for it. And all the songs, 440 Volt, the way it has been picturized, Jag Ghumya, the way it has been picturized. Your thoughts on the music and the entertainment quotient?
It's very correct for the film because while it's like क्या बोलते हैं उसको blockbuster music or popular music or whatever I don't know what you call it, whatever you call it, it is still relevant for the film and it's correct for the film, you know. So it's folk, but it's got that. So like Baby Ko Base is folk, but at the same time it's got also your little hip hop का, you know, little beatboxing भी है उसमें. While it's folk, तो like the beginning it starts with the auntie singing जाठनी के हाव भाव में तेजी. So correct है picture के लिए it's correct. You know, even 440 volt is मतलब वो कैसा सोचेगा? How would Sultan think of a romantic idea? What would it be? You know, तो वो गा भी वैसे ही रहा है. मतलब मेरा हरियाणा मेरे लिए अर्जेंटीना था. मतलब it's, I think the music was very correct for the film. I feel like one of the biggest reasons for the film having done well also is because when it's such a dramatic film with such heavy emotions attached, music can either screw it up or it can just add to it, you know. So I think Jag Ghumya, like where it comes in the film, it adds to the love story even more, and that's because of the melody, you know. So I feel like Vishal and Shekhar are fantabulous, of course, and they've just really nailed it with the Sultan music.
In fact, Ali was saying that that particular moment when in Jag Ghumya, when you're just bringing that अंगीठी and आप मतलब उनके जो उसमें अंगीठी में सेक कर उनके गालों पे आप लगाते हो, that's a highly romantic moment, and it's not the typical romantic moment. It's something which is totally unconventional and very desi as well.
हाँ, मतलब वो गन्ने वो प्रैक्टिस से वापस आते हुए किसी के गन्ने के उसमें घुस गए लिफ्ट लेने के लिए और वो गन्ना खा रहे हैं रास्ते में. So that's very desi. Their love story is very real. I think that's why.